On the last day of filing of nominations to the Legislative Assembly elections in Meghalaya 2023, the rest of the candidates had filed theirs in various districts across the state. Filing their nominations in East Khasi Hills on 7th February were BJP candidates that include Hima Shangpliang and Kharsati, Congress candidates like Pynshngaiñ N Syiem, A Lyngdoh, Ronnie V Lyngdoh, Bethleen Dkhar and Venetia Mawlong, while from the UDP were Lyngdoh and Dr. Aman, NPP's Pyniaid N Syiem and independent candidate Samborlang Diengdoh.
Shisnam hadian bangaram election MLA kumba South pa sitang gabom na job MDC tanga din shisnam kumba arhajarta na tira kata kapani sai kedar ba kipai ba bidang don ke jingsania hanga bakta parti Congress parti apa melem marbanginyo sensar ka bapul ka sensar ka perkhat tang nama tayo yang simet dan perkhat ya ka melem konstitusi bat ya ka jelam raboy.
When all the MLAs have left the Congress, it doesn't mean that people also has gone away. They have left, but the people are still there. This time, believe me, Congress is coming back as the single largest party, not any other political party.
But what do you have to say on the 17 legislators which have who have deserted the Congress party?
17 legislators, many of them will lose their election. That much only.
Why did you leave the BJP and join Congress? Why did you leave BJP?
There are reasons. I have already spoken earlier, so I will not repeat the same thing. It's not good.
Is it because of anti-Christian or anti...
Many issues, anti-Christians, anti-minority, you see, many things. And then the price rise which the central government could not control. Then what GST taxation also, it has affected throughout India, even to the poor section of the people, right? And then when we come about this food item, right? Then the sugar allotment for the targeted group, that also withdrawn, okay? And then when you talk about the kerosene also, there also people are suffering like anything now. They are not getting the service kerosene like the earlier days of the Congress government. You see, due to all these factors, so we don't find any reason why we should stay in this party. So better we leave, we go by the wish of the people, so that when the government will come back, we will take care of all these problems.
Skemha, is no Skemha. He electorate Kim Deisho Kiba Kilai Isansan. The kata experience ka jongki, the nga scam jinggut, ba ibat ba kinjit ya umbril, ba combine ya experience, education, energy. Experience, education, energy. Jangan nang start kecik tebet terekam, buat kecik lagi. Bormet sih. Ada mencoba dia kata, kemudian evidence iru, kemudian apa, laban orang begini kita tiar bapa pol, ladang ada tang unong samtiar, nih, kabut arjar kat paru nganom syarem. Ngacu sami diktiar kita penbiang bat nado kau mun sini dai berapa penbiang lut man gaski henry ngasyarem namar jong company power dah bakal long kemta buat numpek yo bak pol tang kembapi idon kita ki bakena odai nong samtiar ngambe kajat menru ketip ki ai ka contribution jonga kum student leader kum nong thau jing roi kum nong riu perkhat kum sekolah bami na university hinggu kita awal kat hingga Jepang tahu rice cooker tak kami apa kan.
party. May the best man win in 17 North Shillong. May the people reply to the party in the most appropriate way. I wish the party luck. I wish the party the best of the results. But as you have seen, this injustice that has happened, and I would like to say a few words to the voters of 17 North Shillong. I am a person who have come from the ground. I have worked for you from the COVID. I have worked for you day in, day night. And I come from a person as an educated man. This is my, the way I have a desire to serve the public. Unlike the other candidates who are fighting the elections right now, this is their second innings into their profession. So give me a chance. I will work for you. This is a new way of fighting politics. This is a new way of going into administration. We will make a difference.
So what are the issues that you are going to the people to seek their help?
Well, I have certain issues regarding women empowerment. I also have issues regarding the employment generation for the youth. Another thing is, child rights and of course security of the people of my constituency. But in the end of the day, what I have been promising to the people is nothing but to be a very good listener so that I can be a representative, I can be a voice and address their problems in the assembly should I be elected.
But other political parties are saying that the Congress is a sinking ship. So why have you decided to contest from a party like the Congress?
Well, I have always been with the Congress. I started working with the Congress in 1998 and I don't like to hop, skip and jump parties. And therefore, I believe that the Congress will be coming back to power, judging from the present situation. I believe and I strongly know that the Congress will come back to power not only in the state of Meghalaya, but the entire Northeast as well. The only thing is I believe in my party ideologies and I know that if we come back to power, we would do so much more for the people.
Kini ki Perlok Joka 19 South ki balawan ban Krishan ban Aman Syiem yangi bat ngit scam ba menta ka kinti nginyo ya ka jingkala ladang ikwa ya kata ka jingkala nga training kong ngin hap kala shwai ki jingbut ki jing perkhat ki jangi nang nginyo ya kata ka jingkala bang ngit scam ka jingjop kamdum de kang na ka 19 South hinding nginyo hi na borok ki constituency ka jing hair kolomba nga hi shimen nga krenben na kamenta kini ki future generations na kamenta kini ki kun samla ki jongi naman nga ngit scam kung kini ki pa ngi laput kata ka future hindi ngi hapat khat hapat ba shanu ki kun ki jongi koi tadi na kata ka daw nga sayeng minta ka kanti na po kabaning kong ka ba nga ngayon kadai ka jing kurni jong ka jing di penbuat ka ba bau drugs mo ba baro kiwan ban complain ki ong ba balingim la le nam tau new drugs ru bala kerni kat ni hangi ka chnong ke juni ti ya ka ba mentahi kat bangila nilai perkhan nilai syang ban perkhan walang yang padyo ya kata ka jing job ru andai nilai syang ban perkhan kum kilong kumi kilong pa bat ki kun samla jong ka constituency bangin le kat bala bangin rat ding khong ya uni jing di penbuat bala kerni hantai hapok senang ke jong
Ti kapentarong pra ay bagi paslogan di bai ba minta kolong na kabentaga roi kapa bari pikiran di jiri bagi nalan gilanti kisengkin pada piong ngaji di ka umba mumdi unjur lagi pikiran di jiri bagi pun samla dan kami ke playground nang tagi babun ki samla ki batre ki kam paper dan kami ki kam ki jitre ju ki bagi nala ban ki usap rang na thai ki bun ki isu ki hapan penting pra adu benta kam dan nang single college abang idun kam na ban upgrade begitu ki high secondary school kum ki college nang bakal dilap sibun nam ta kham tam kubadi kusuk nak bendaka banpa college jadi seperti kan orang kam sebol kam ya bukan ketika murim jong